Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to send voice message in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to send voice message in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app, and after opening a Telegram app, guys, open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send that voice message. So let's open it, and on this interface, after opening the chat box of the person, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is a mic icon available for us on the message bar just beside the attachment icon. And over here, now in order to proceed to send that voice message on Telegram, you will be required to tap and hold on that mic icon and like this. And guys, you can see at the left side as our voice message records, the time is proceeding. And if you want to let go of the mic, you can see the lock icon at the upside where we are tapping and holding. And with that being done, guys, you will be not required to hold it until you record your voice message. And after you have recorded your voice message, you will be able to send that voice message by tapping on the airplane icon at the right side like this. And you can see, guys, the voice message has been sent. And let's do that again for a demo purpose. Tap and hold on it, and your message will start to record which you want to send as a voice message. And the moment you let go, your voice message will be sent on Telegram like this. You can see, guys, you can do that as many times as you want. And with that being said, guys, this is how to record a voice message on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.